Here's today's puzzle. You are given triangle ABC with points G and E on line AC and point F on line AB. The following angles are marked. Angle CBG is 20 degrees. Angle GBE is 40 degrees. Angle FBE is 20 degrees. Angle FCA is 30 degrees. And angle FCB is 50 degrees. Your task is to find angle FEB, which we will call X. Let's begin. Let's start by looking at triangle CBG. Angle BCG is equal to 50 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. Angle CBG is 20 degrees. So angle CGB must be 80 degrees, because all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Next, we look at triangle BGE. Angle BGE is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is equal to 100 degrees. Angle BEG is 180 degrees minus 100 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now we connect F to G. Since side BC equals BF equals BG, angle BGF is equal to angle BFG. And since angle FBG equals 60 degrees, both angles will be equal to 60 degrees and form an equilateral triangle, which means BG equals BF equals FG. Now, since GF equals GE, angle GEF equals GFE, angle FGE is equal to 40 degrees. And hence angle GEF and GFE will both be equal to 70 degrees, which gives us the value of X equals to 30 degrees. Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle breakdowns like this.